Hello, and welcome to Summarize Science, where we break down complex research into simple terms. Two of the biggest mysteries in the universe are the existence of dark matter and the reason why there's so much more matter than antimatter. This paper proposes a novel idea that connects these two fundamental puzzles in a very elegant way. The theory centers on a hypothetical particle called the axion. In the early universe, this axion field would have been spinning incredibly fast, carrying a huge amount of kinetic energy. The model also requires a dark sector of the universe containing particles that don't interact with light, including something called a dark magnetic monopole. Here is where the magic happens. As the axion spins, its field interacts with these dark monopoles. This chart shows how the interaction causes the monopoles to jump between different energy levels. Each time a monopole jumps levels, it releases energy by creating a pair of new particles called dark fermions. This process effectively acts as a brake, slowing the axion's rotation down and dissipating its energy. Why is this so important? First, the spinning axion itself is the engine that generates the matter-antimatter imbalance, a process known as axiogenesis. Second, without this braking mechanism, the spinning axion would eventually create far too much axion dark matter, overclosing the universe. This energy dissipation neatly solves that overproduction problem. The result is a universe where dark matter isn't just one single particle, but a composite of three different things. The leftover, slowed-down axions make up part of it. The dark magnetic monopoles themselves form another component. And finally, the dark fermions created during the dissipation process make up the third part. This chart shows the specific conditions, or parameter space, where this three-part dark matter model successfully explains our universe. So, let's recap the important points. A spinning axion in the early universe generates the matter-antimatter asymmetry we observe today. Its energy is then drained away through interactions with dark magnetic monopoles, which create dark fermions in the process. This leaves us with a dark matter landscape composed of three distinct components. What does this mean for the future? This theory gives scientists a very specific prediction for the properties of the axion, narrowing down the search for this elusive particle. It also predicts that dark matter particles can interact with each other, which could produce astronomical signals that we might one day be able to detect. It's a beautiful theory that solves multiple problems at once, giving us a new and exciting picture of our cosmos.